Hey guys, I'm Navina. I'm going to tell you how to use Google Meet in laptop. For that, first you have to keep your Gmail account signed in. And the left side you can find start a meeting. Click on that. You'll start your own meeting and you'll be the host. It's always better to disable your microphone and webcam in to avoid certain interruptions during meeting. For that, you have to give first allow for both microcam and webcam. Only then you can use them for audiovisual communication in a meeting. So this is your Google Meeting ID. You have to give join now. Only then your meeting will get started actually. So the pop-up window which you can see now has your Google Meet link. You can copy them by giving add people. You can invite participants via email. I'm not going to do that stuff now. So I'm just going to copy the Google Meeting ID and I'm going to invite some of my friends. Uh, Let me hope they'll join. So yes, let me wait for some more time for a participant to join so that I can. Yeah. So this is Balaji, my friend. He has joined. If only if the host gives admit, a participant can join a meeting. So I'm going to give admit I'm being the host. Now see Balaji has joined the meeting. There you can find people who are all present in your meeting. This is just me and him. Let me say hi Bala, how are you? I'm doing a video. I guess you can cooperate. Can you stay for 5 more minutes so that I'll explain some stuff to the viewers? Yeah. So first you have to unmute yourself to speak. When you click on the particular participant, you can see three different options: pin, mute, and remove. So the center one is for mute. The host can mute a participant. So I'm going to ask him to unmute. Hey Bala, can you unmute your microphone so that I can explain how to mute a participant in a host? Yeah, sure. He has unmuted. So by clicking that, a host can mute any participant in the meeting. Yeah, I have muted him. So this is the pin button. Using this, you can pin a particular participant so that if he's sharing or speaking, you can see that particular participant in the entire screen. Yes. The next one would be removing a participant, which I'm not going to do now, but a host can remove a participant anytime in a meeting. This is very obvious where the people in a meeting can chat. I'm gonna give welcome Bala, thanks for joining. Yeah. Any kind of information can be shared using chat without speaking. And the next important thing in a webinar is sharing a screen. For that you have to give present now. I'm going to give entire screen share. One day then it will be easy for me to share my desktop. So now I'm going to present my screen. Yeah, my screen is being presented. The participants who have pinned me can see my presentation in a full view. Yeah. Let me share what some. So this is you can share whatever you want. And once you have stopped your presentation, you need to give stop presenting. Only then others can present their slides or whichever they want. So these are all the things which a host need to know while conducting a Google Meet. Okay, let me ask him to leave. He might have some work. Hi Bala, you can leave the meeting if you want. I'm done with it. Thanks for being here. Thank you. Okay. Now he'll leave. Very generous of him to join us. Okay, I'll tell you from the participant side. For a participant, you need to give join a meeting and paste your link, give join. Again, you have to give allow for your microphone and webcam, and you have to give ask to join. You are asking the host to give you admit to join a meeting. Only if the host admits you, you can join a meeting. So this is how participant and host can use Google Meet. Guys, I think this makes the task of using Google Meet an easy one. Thank you.